Today's video is kind of sponsored, eh?
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah, so you already know I have that garbage ISR short shifter. It's making all the sounds that they like rattle. You can do that little fix, but it's not permanent. You got to keep redoing it. So if you're buying a short shifter, spend just a little more and buy a good short shifter. You won't regret it. That's where these guys come in. Great guys, they sent us a little short shifter. We already opened it. Since I was going from the ISR, I didn't have this short shifter mounts to the stock shifter plate. So I didn't realize that, and I had the ISR one, so we already had to open this and then realized we couldn't do it yet. But I got the stock shifter plate. And yeah, let's open this up. It's already been opened a bit, so there's all the parts, man. They even give you one of these Buddhas. Buddhas? Got a friggin' metal thing. Fire ass weighted shift knob. Look at that.
Pretty clean, man.
It's really heavy, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, some more metal pieces. More metal pieces. Big metal piece. Another metal piece. Another metal piece. Like, all the quality and all their milling is so nice. So just, if you're gonna get a short shifter, just spend a little more and get something quality, like a cube. All this hardware.
Well, right on.
Great people at Cube. They also gave us a discount code, 10% off, MoistBoys10, all lowercase. No, I'll put it across the screen, maybe. And their website will be linked in the description. Also, they're in Australia, so I think their price is in Australian dollars. So if you're in the US, you're getting like 30% off automatically. Got a factory shift bushing thing from Nissan. But yeah, let's start putting this bitch together. So you thought me and Noah were getting swaggy with the fucking got these fire ass Bass Pro Shops hat? No, for 14K we decided to treat ourselves.
Oh, no doubt. They came, eh?
They came, eh? So for 14K we spent $14,000. Ben Baller sent us this little gift, you know, so we can get extra fire, extra swaggy, extra sick. Look at that. Boys are getting iced the fuck out. Don't even worry about it.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube. The best content that nobody subscribes to. You two idiots with the camera getting fired up. Small wheels slamming everything with tires tucked.
Alright, back to it.
Now that we're iced the fuck out, we can continue with this video. Alright, instruction manuals. Can we read? Then you take your spacer, drop that bitch in, put this little springy thing in that came out of the old shifter. Slide that shit in. The choocher's coming backwards towards you. Snoodle that in. Snoodle this ring in. One edge is tapered. That one goes down. Like so. Then yeah, we take these banana clips, and the one side is like inwards. That goes down. We slide around this bitch. We take this bottom plate. Put it on here, there. Take your friggin' over plate. Bolts and hose. Bolts and hose. Now that you got those Totobot on, you slide the friggin' condominium on. So this is height adjustable now, so if you want a really tall shifter, you put this nut on. Then you put this beast on.
It's your boy Pizza.
The what? The light is hectic.
Would you look at that? Fire it up to get this in.
Alright, let's go slap it in, eh?
Let's go slap it around, dude.
Sean Pizza.
Got the shifter in. Also, when you're installing this, install it in the car. We just wanted to put it together, just see how it went together beforehand. But yeah, it's feeling pretty fire. So it also comes with the helper springs, which go on the two sides of the transmission. We haven't put those in yet because it's kind of hard if the car is not like in the air. We'll put those in later. That'll really tighten it up, you know. Yeah, let's do a little test drive. Because the main thing with the ISR,
right on,
was the rattling noise. Hit fifth, going 50. Why not? My music's working. Oh, it's a good day. It's a good day. When you do one mod and it fixes something else. Yeah, there you go. This doesn't make any sound. The ISR, it just whines and whines. So if you're gonna get a short shifter, spend a little more. Get a quality shifter by people who care. That's not just drop shipped from China. And just get a quality one like this. It's so much better. And again, if you want the 10% off, discount code's in the description. They have short shifters for pretty much any car. They got a shit ton of short shifters. And yeah, spend a little bit extra money and enjoy.
right on.
Right on. Also, like this video. Comment. What should they comment?
I don't know.
Comment your favorite color that we should paint our cars, if we ever do, which we probably won't, but we might.
No, what do you mean? What's happening, dude?
Oh, I just didn't know if we're saying it. Yeah, so comment what color we should paint our cars, if you think we should paint our cars. And, like the video, subscribe. We're trying to hit 15K. The subbies are going slow as fuck.
Views are down, subs are down.
Views are down, subs are down. So please, like the video, show your friends, and subscribe. Also, fire. Alright?
That's tits, dude.
Yeah, dude. We almost forgot, but the good people at Cube also sent us some freaking swag. Not only did they hook us up with all those stickers, but they hooked us up with some more. Cube shirts, dude. Look, even
Dude,
more stickers.
You got me stickers, dude?
Merry Christmas,
That's
dude.
pretty tits.
Should I crack it open?
Yeah, crack it open.
Oh, it stinks.
Kev's home.
Oh, it's a good quality, dude.
Shift,
Look
yeah,
at that.
dude.
That's a sick shirt, eh?
It's pretty right on.
Cube logo on the front.
Oh, no doubt.
Damn, that's sick.
I'm gonna fire mine on. I'm a little stinky right now.
Can't wait to flex this, dude, at the meets. But yeah, anyway, if you want a short shifter, just spend the extra little money and get a good one, because you won't regret it. Because otherwise you're going to have a shitty one, and it's going to be making all kinds of sounds. It's going to feel like crap. When a nice one like this is... How much is like an ISO? Like 120 bucks or something?
Dude, they're up on that shit. It's like 150 now.
So you're literally spending like the same amount probably on a good quality short shifter. So again, hit up Cube. Here's their website. Get a short shifter for your car, because they're doing it right, and you want to do it right the first time.
As we've come to learn.
Yeah.
Right arm.
No more crawdad shit. Only mids, okay?
Yeah, right on.
Or quads. But that's kind of only F-Yaz it in quads.
We'll get there eventually.
Yeah.
Okay, well, decent.
Alright. Freak off.
The boys will try to